Hi, I am Loria Heffernan. I work at Tjanpi Corner here. I live in Alice Spring and I come every day for work here and I do these sort of baskets. Tjanpi been started first on 1995 in Blackstone, and that lady been started first. She is my grandmother. Tjanpi is really good for like ladies to sit back and make baskets and tell lovely stories, about old stories. And I always watch ladies when they do weaving, they tell about old stories back in their days, in their days. And ladies like sitting there and weaving and telling stories. And they got a lot of stories about donkeys and about Tjanpi and about baskets. If you are a big girl like me, you get 10 pieces. If you're a small conga, you get five pieces of raffia. You get it and make a little knot, then start stitching with what color you want. Make it neat and straight first and make a little knot, then make it like a snail shape, then stitch it, make it. When it comes like a good size, keep putting raffia, keep putting colors in, and when it gets really bigger you keep going when it's a little bit big. If you make a mistake on your basket, keep trying it and it'll keep stitching it and keep working it on. It'll come out really good, the shape. If you do it funny, keep doing it. Keep doing it around and putting more raffias in. And when you make that circle, if you want your side to get big, if you got some Tjanpi, you can use Tjanpi. If you got a lot of raffia, you can still use raffia. Go in with your needle, pull it a bit up like that and stitch it across. Then you'll make your little wall. Every ladies, they got own style. Oh, don't worry if you a learner. You keep on trying and doing. You see my hands that I made. You follow me. You try it how I make it. You'll get there. Bye. See you. Lovely basket. You gotta make it. You Wonder Woman. Look here, and when I look, she's trying to be Wonder Woman too.